This is sweet and sour shrimp, and these shrimps or prawns have that puffy, crispy coating, and I'm going to be showing you how easy and quick this classic dish is. And yeah, you can get this sorted and ready to go in like 15 minutes or so. So let's do this. First, let's get the vegetables out of the way. I have an onion here. We are going to cube it like this, super easy, and then get it out of the way. Next, I got a fun looking orange carrot here, and I just want to slice it this way, super easy, and yep, get that out of the way as well. And finally, a capsicum. You want to get rid of this top and all of this white stuff inside and the seeds as well. And also you want to cube it around the same squares as the onion earlier. You all need to use vegetables in this, okay? Veggies are going to make this look like a restaurant quality. Just don't be a budget queen at home, okay? Okay, next, the stars of the show, the prawns or shrimps. I don't know, crustaceans, okay? I'm not a scientist, but I've got some tiger prawns here, and I'm going to be giving them a very simple seasoning of some salt, pepper, and sugar. I always love to add sugar to my prawns. It enhances its natural sweetness even more. And then give all of that a quick toss. Next, we need to coat our prawns with flour or dredge it. So you can do it the proper ladylike way by laying some flour on a plate just like this, and then press the shrimps on it to coat. Just like this, easy. Or you can just be like me and just dump a lot of flour in the bowl just like this. Just keep adding the flour until all of the prawns are coated. This gets really messy and not gonna lie, but listen, it gets the job done, okay? Alright, so let's make the fun batter that's gonna give you that fun puffy coating next. Add flour to a bowl, just regular all-purpose flour here, a pinch of salt next to season. And this is a key ingredient, baking powder. Now this is what's going to give the coating that puffiness. And next, also a key ingredient, cold soda water. And let's get the refreshing ASMR here. Ooh, fizzy. So soda water will help with the puffiness, while the coldness of the soda water will get you the extra crispy batter. Whisk all of that together until you get a batter just like this. And then next, we add the coated shrimp into the batter, just like this. So you want to make sure that your prawns are coated with the flour. This is going to help the batter to stick to the prawns. Otherwise, it's just going to slide off the prawns. Meanwhile, you want to get your deep frying pot or saucepan here ready to go. Just use medium-high to high heat here. Once the oil is all nice and hot, gently drop in the coated shrimp. Cook in batches, okay? Super important. Do not crowd your pan. Otherwise, the oil temperature is going to drop, and instead of a crispy shrimp, you're going to be getting a soggy shrimp. You can gently wiggle the shrimps to separate them apart in the oil, since the batter might make them stick to one another. This cooks in 5 minutes, okay? Seriously, 5 minutes, because shrimps or prawns, and because it's hot oil, the batter is going to cook and crisp up quickly as well. And then, look at this cute little puffy prawn. This is what we came here for. Take the prawns all off the oil, and I like to just drain them on some paper towels. Okay, so low-key, I actually love to eat these just like this. It's so crispy and addictive, but we are going to coat it in a yummy, ultra easy sweet and sour sauce. To a pan, add some oil and let it get all nice and hot. Then toss in the cubed onions, as well as some diced garlic. Saute till fragrant, and then toss in the carrots and capsicums, and give all of that a quick stir fry. Okay, the easy sweet and sour sauces. Tomato ketchup here first. This is sweet chili sauce. Some oyster sauce. Vinegar for more of that sour. Some light soy sauce. And sugar. I'm using some light brown sugar here, but regular white sugar works okay as well. And finally, just a little bit of water to get a nice sauce going. Stir fry all of that together, and then let this sauce boil, and once it comes to a bubbly boil just like this, add back the crispy puffy shrimp. Toss to coat. And our sweet and sour, crispy, puffy shrimp or prawns is all done. Quick and easy is super addictive, and I mean, you all really need to start impressing people with this puffy batter, okay? Let me give this a sprinkling of spring onions, and can we say restaurant quality, better than takeout? I woke up like this level of I made this at home. Yeah, so I hope you give this a go, and bye! If you love this sweet and sour shrimp recipe, I bet you will love any of this next.